Hi, this is Mark from Creative Pen. Today, we're going to talk about something every 3D artist faced, and that is known as creative block. You open Maya, you open Blender, you open 3D Max, or any 3D software you are making use of. You just stare at the empty grid, and suddenly your mind goes blank. No idea, no energy, no spark. Well, creative block is real, and you are not alone. And listen, as a 3D artist myself, I've been here many times, but over the years, I've learned how to break through it. And today, I'm going to give you 7 ways to overcome creative block. Let's get started. So, before we go into how to overcome creative block, let's really know why creative block happens. So, first, let's understand why creative block happens. Creative block, it's not laziness, it's not because you are not talented, and it's not because you've run out of ideas. Most of the times, creative block comes from mental overload, fear of not being good enough, pressure to create something perfect, comparing your work to other artists, or simply burnout from doing too much. Once you know the cause, you can fix this. So now, let's go into how you can overcome creative block. So number one, start small. When you are stuck creatively, the worst thing you can do is force yourself to create something big. Instead, start small. Create something like a cup, model a rock, make a simple environment block out. Do something tiny, something that doesn't need to be perfect. Small wins rebuild your creative confidence. Just by starting, your brain begins to warm up. Number two, seek inspiration properly. When you are blocked, inspiration becomes your fuel, but don't just scroll aimlessly. Instead, visit websites like ArtStation and search for simple concepts. Go to Pinterest and look up props, rooms, character. Watch movie scenes with great lighting. Study nature, trees, rocks, light and shadows. Screenshot things that inspire you. Build a reference library. Inspiration is not copying, inspiration is permission. Permission to start creating again. Number three, change your environment. This affects me most times. When I just stay in one particular position for so long, I find out that I can't think, I can't do something new, I just get stuck most of the times. Sometimes the problem is not Maya, it's your environment. Clean your workspace, take a walk, listen to new music, switch rooms, sit somewhere with natural light, touch grasses, reset your mind, visit friends, visit people. Just go out, see different things, and it's actually going to refresh your mind. Keep this in mind, a fresh environment creates fresh ideas. Stop trying to be perfect. Number four, perfection kills creativity. 90% of artists get blocked because they want their next projects to be their best projects. But listen closely. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Your job is not to be perfect. Your job is to create. Work messy. Make ugly models. Do bad lighting. Just create. You can clean up that later. You can do all this later. But that moment, just enjoy creating. Enjoy the flow states. When you create peacefully and when you create freely, you find out that you get into the flow state. Number five, do a daily 10-minute challenge. This is actually one big secret you need to keep in mind. Every time you hit creative block, do a 10-minute challenge. Set a timer, pick anything, a shoe, a chair, a car, a robot, and model it in only 10 minutes. No pressure, no polishing, just create. This rewires your brain to enjoy the process again. When you just create, your focus is on creating. Not you want to achieve something big. You're going to feel yourself, you feel the flow, you feel happy, and you feel like a creative again. And number six, this is the most important one, and this is what I have been using lately, and it's been working out for me. Pray, reset, and reconnect with purpose. As artists, our creativity is a gift. And sometimes when we feel blocked, it's because we are disconnected spiritually, mentally, or emotionally. Personally, I always take a moment to pray and ask God for clarity and inspiration. And I'm going to tell you how to do that in a moment. For me, creativity isn't just skill, it's partnership. Reconnect with your purpose. Remember why you started 3D in the first place. Your passion didn't disappear, it just needs to be reawakened. Now, let me tell you how to reconnect with your purpose. Whenever you want to start modeling or whatever it is you want to do, texturing, animating, open up whatever 3D software you are using. If you are making use of Maya, open up Maya. And when you've opened up Maya, set everything you want to make use of. And after setting that, go ahead and say a little prayer. Invite Jesus into your process. Ask Him to take control. Ask Him to lead you. Ask Him to walk with you. And when you are done with all this, just listen to Christian songs, gospel songs, whichever one. I make use of worship most of the times, worship songs. And when you listen to this, you find out that you flow, you model like never before. Where you have issues, you don't have those issues again. Where you get stuck, you are not stuck again. Just go ahead and try this, and you see this is going to work flawlessly for you. And number 7, which is the last one, give yourself permission to rest. Sometimes the real answer is simple. You need rest. Creativity grows in a healthy mind. If you are exhausted, you won't create anything meaningful. Give yourself grace. It is okay to pause. It is okay to breathe. You will come back stronger. So these are the 7 ways you can overcome creative block. So finally, before I end this video, if you are facing creative block right now, I hope the video helped you find clarity and direction. Remember, every artist goes through this. What matters is that you don't give up. If you want more inspiring content for 3D artists, Maya tutorials, and creative tips, hit the like button, not just the like button, hit the subscribe button and join the Creative Pen 3D Hub on Telegram. Link is in the description. I believe in you. Your next masterpiece is already inside you. You just need to start. Keep that in mind. And most importantly, always make sure that you stay creative.